What's good, YouTube? I'm Sir Hall and welcome back to my channel where the voice is deep and the shoes are cheap. Today I'm going to go into one of my favorite types of videos, my top trusted seller video. Let's get right into it. We got 4 sellers in no particular order. I'm going to go through them based on all of them are excellent customer service, great quality sneakers, great pricing, and people that I personally buy from all the time. So first we're going to start with MAIKX sneakers, M-A-I-K-E sneakers. Don't mind my voice, super sick, so just trying to get through it. This is a great seller. I buy a ton of shoes from him. Let's go into some of his recent pairs. We got the Soulfly 12s. A lot of 12s. These I just picked up, the Earth 5. Love this colorway. Take a look at the Reimagine. This is a perfect Reimagine because the piping looks good. It's on point. Sizing all the way up to a 13. It's a great cop right here. Going down the list. Ooh, these are sick. These are going to be Jordan of the Year, I think, honestly. There's a lot of pairs coming out, but these are a really sick pair. He also has a ton of other shoes, clothing. Let's get into the second seller, ABB sneakers. And let's just take a quick look at his Jordans. Let's see some 4s. Some Nigels. The Amamanyes. Love these. I think the dark mocha is finally coming out. And let's see some 1s. It's got Lucas in here too, which is crazy. Let me see. What else they got on here? These are sick. The Kobe All-Stars. These are fire. These look really good. The Ducks, the Oregon Ducks. These I just picked up. The Kobe Air Force One. Had to get these, both colorways. Let's get into the next seller. Aaron Fashion. And like I said, I'm just speeding through. Go ahead and browse everybody's websites. All great sellers. I buy from them often. Trophy Rooms, Game Royal Lows. These are such a clean pair. Some different colored Travis. Some fantasy pairs. These I just copped. The Tyler the Creator LVs. These are sick. Let that load. Love this pair. Super clean. And let's get into our next seller, Reps. Bought a bunch of pairs from them also. Some Travis pairs right there. Some Balenci's. Jordan 1s, some Mocha Lows. The Travis pairs that were supposed to come out. Some LVs. Highly recommend all these 4 sellers. Feel free to mention me as for a discount when you're shopping with them. They have watches, slippers, clothing, you name it. Thank you again for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this video. Feel free to hop on my Discord and say what's up. And feel free to follow me on Instagram at enzoazai, enzoazai. Thank you, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.